Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about the advantages of self-compacting concrete. But in the previous video, we discussed about the self-compacting concrete definition, history and background of the self-compacting concrete, introduction to the self-compacting concrete, development of SCC, and the essential features of self-compacting concrete. If you haven't watched that video, please go and check it out in my channel, as that is the prerequisite to watch this video. That is the part 1 of that self-compacting concrete. It is the part 2 of the self-compacting concrete. And also we are discussing about the 20 basic definitions in concrete technology. So this is very important, from which easily one question would be for every competitive exam. I request you to watch this video completely till the end of this video. So coming to the advantages of self-compacting concrete, reduction in site manpower. As there is no requirement for vibration, we don't need any manpower to do the vibration part. So that is why this leads to a reduction in manpower. Better surface finish, as no human involvement is there, it is flowing by its own self weight. Surface finish would be good. Easier placing, easy to place, as it is in simple application of this self-compacting concrete. Improved durability, we discussed this about that is about this durability increasing in the part 1 of this video. Greater freedom in design, as concrete will be able to flow under its own weight. You can go for any sections, any design. Thinner concrete sections, even for very thin sections, it will be easy for us to place the concrete, as we don't have to do any vibration after that. It will be flowing by its own weight. Reduced noise levels because of no vibration, absence of vibration. Speed in construction, control of presence, pressure on formwork. Definitions. The basic definitions in concrete technology. For the purpose of specifications, the following definitions are used. Additions. Finely divided inorganic material used in concrete in order to improve certain properties or to achieve special properties. So the specification refers to two types of inorganic additions: nearly inert additions, pozzolanic or latent hydraulic additions. Okay, this is the definition of additions. Next, admixtures. Material added during the mixing process of the concrete in small quantities related to the mass of cement to modify the properties of fresh or hardened cement. So admixture is something that is added during the mixing of concrete. Okay, like in a very small quantity related to the mass of cement, that is added to modify the properties when it is in fresh or hardened state. Binder. The combined cement and hydraulic addition in a self-compacting concrete is called as a binder. Confined flowability. The ability of self-compacting concrete to flow through tight openings such as spaces between steel reinforcing bars without segregation or blocking. So even in that confined reinforcement, the ability to flow is called as confined flowability. Next is filling ability, that is unconfined flowability. The ability of the self-compacting concrete to flow into and fill completely all spaces within the formwork under its own weight is called as filling ability. That is nothing but the ability to fill by flowing. Okay. Next, water fines. The material which is of particular size smaller than 0.125 mm. It will also include this size fraction of the sand. Okay, the material of particle size smaller than 0.125 mm are called as fines. Mortar. The fraction of the concrete comprising paste plus those aggregates less than 4 mm is called as mortar. That is, we are just omitting the coarse aggregate in this. Generally only aggregates that are less than 4 mm are considered in this. Okay, that is a mortar. Next, paste. The fraction of the concrete comprising powder plus water and air. Okay, only comprising the powder, water and air is called as paste. Passing ability, that is confined flowability. The ability of self-compacting concrete to flow through tight openings such as spaces between steel reinforcing bars without segregation or blocking is called as passing ability. We just learned this definition as confined flowability, but this is also the definition for passing ability. Okay, next, powder or fines. Again, same. Whenever we are saying powder or fines, the definition of fines would be applicable. Okay, that is the material of particle size smaller than 0.125 mm we call as fines. And what is self-compacting concrete? Concrete that is able to flow under its own weight and completely fill the formwork, even in the presence of dense reinforcement, without the need of any vibration, while maintaining the homogeneity. Homogeneity is not allowing the segregation to take place. Next, segregation resistance, that is stability. The ability of the self-compacting concrete to remain homogeneous in composition during transportation and placing. Okay, it is nothing but not losing its homogeneous property. Okay, it is not allowing the segregation to take place. So the resistance again is the segregation, we are calling as segregation resistance. The stability. Unconfined flowability, the ability of the self-compacting concrete to flow into and fill completely all spaces within the formwork under its own weight, that is unconfined flowability. Okay, the workability, a measure of the ease by which the fresh concrete can be placed and compacted. It is a complex combination of aspects of fluidity, cohesiveness, transportability, compactability, and stickiness. Okay, this is the definition of workability. Next, we have specifications of this. Recommended specifications for self-compacting concrete are as follows. Workability. A good self-compacting concrete shall normally reach a slump flow value exceeding 60 centimeters, that is 600 mm, without segregation. So without segregation, a good self-compacting concrete should reach a value of slump exceeding 60 centimeters. If required, the self-compacting concrete shall remain flowable and self-compacting for at least 90 minutes. At least for 90 minutes, it shall exhibit the properties of flowability and also the self-compacting. Okay. If required, self-compacting concrete shall be able to withstand a slope of 3% in case of free horizontal surface. Okay. If required, the self-compacting concrete shall be pumpable for at least 90 minutes and through pipes with a length of at least 100 meters. Okay, these are the requirements, or I can say specifications of the self-compacting concrete. Next, we have methods for evaluating the self-compactability of concrete. That is, generally we consider three properties for the fresh self-compacting concrete. First one is filling ability, flowability, passing ability, free from blocking at reinforcement, resistance to segregation, that is stability. Okay, have to be assessed, and so far no single test have been devised to assess all the above. Okay, there is no single test such that it will show us all the above three parameters if satisfied or not. Okay, we have to follow some three different procedures for three different tests. Okay, so let us see the list of the methods we are using to assess this workability methods, properties of this self-compacting concrete. If we want filling ability, we can go for the slump flow by Abraham's cone and T50 slump flow, also the V funnel. If we want to find the passing ability of that, we have the J-ring, L box, U box, and also fill box. And also we have OEM test for doing the filling ability test. Okay, and we have some segregation resistance only special one test, that is the GTM screen stability test. Okay, we use that test for determining the segregation resistance of the self-compacting concrete. That is it for this video, guys. In the next video, we'll discuss about the basic considerations of self-compacting concrete, applications of self-compacting concrete, what all the mixed design methods are there for the self-compacting concrete, and the FNAC guidelines for this self-SEC. Okay, and how the mixing and casting are there. Some basic considerations also we'll be discussing. And the last topic we have in the self compacting is fiber reinforced self compacting concrete. So that is it for this video, guys. And please go check out the third part of this video also, as that would be the completion and the conclusion part of this self compacting concrete. This is the second part, whereas in the first part we have discussed the basic introduction part of that, um, the background history of that self compacting concrete. If you haven't watched those videos, please go and check it out in my channel, as that would be greatly informative regarding the self compacting concrete. That is it for this video, guys. Please like, share and comment to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you.